Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of AWS. So today we will see how to create EC2 instance. So for that purpose, just go to this search bar and search for the EC2. After that, you will see this first option. Click on this EC2 over here, and once you're done with that, you will land on this page. So over here, you will see the EC2 related data. So what you can do, click on the instances, which will basically show you the running instances. But as of now, there are no running instances. There is this one instance named as the AWS-demo, which was created by me for testing purpose, and I've already terminated it. So now you will be creating your very first EC2 instance. Okay, so for that purpose, click on launch instance, and over here you have to give the I will give the name as AWS trial, and this will be the name of your EC2 instance. After that, you have to select what kind of operating system you want. Okay, so whether you want Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, whatever that is. So I will look for Ubuntu over here, and this is the latest model of the Ubuntu which I will select. You can even check the other versions. So whatever version you want, you can just select. You can check out the details over here, like SSD volume type, then Ubuntu server and LTS, whatever that is. So by default it is 64-bit 86 version. So just go with this, and let's just wait for a while. It is loading. Okay, so after that it will give you the details what you have selected. Like this is the description over here, and this is the name and everything. Okay, so just come down below. So now here is the instance type. If you click over here and if you check the instance type, so there are a lot of the instances over here. So by default it's a T3 micro. So this is the free tier, so let's just go with this. But if you want to choose some other this thing instance type, you can do that. So when it comes to the T3 micro, the family is T3 over here, and it is giving the 1 GB memory over here, and these are some of the other details which you can just check over here. And let's just go down, and over here this is the place where we have to generate the key value pair. Okay, so here, if you want to log into the EC2 instance, then you can create a key value pair. So this is like a private and public key which gets created. So over here I have given the name as AWS trial, I guess, if I have not forgotten, AWS trial keys, whatever that is, you can give the name. I will select the RSA and .pem file format which will be getting downloaded. So click on this create key pair. So this key pair will be getting downloaded, AWS trial key.pem, and which you can use during the login process. Then we have the network settings over here. So if you want, you can put the network settings. So this is basically the like you can consider it like a firewall if you want to log into the EC2 instance. So over here, anyone from anywhere who is having the credentials will be able to log into this EC2 instance. But if suppose you want only this particular PC of yours to log in, then you can do that. Over here, you can see the my IP. This is basically the IP of this particular Windows system. So what you can do, you can go to your favorite web browser and type out like what is my IP. Okay, so after that you will see this is the IP address, which is 43.224.157.41. And if you come over here, where is it? uh, okay, so let me check. Dot 41. Okay, so this is my IP. So if you want only this machine, like this Windows machine, to log into this EC2 instance, then you can select this one. Okay, otherwise you can just select anywhere, and you can even put the custom if you want to. But I will just put anywhere, and you can also put the restrictions over here, like allow the HTTPS traffic from the internet, allow the HTTP traffic from the internet, and all these things. And after that, there is this configuration storage. So over here you can allocate the storage to your this thing the instance what you have created. So in the free tier, eligible customer can get up to like 30 GB of EBS. So what you can do, you can just go up till 30 GB, but if you want, you can just put like right now it's by default it's 8 GB, but if you want, you can just increase the volume. Okay, so there are these advanced settings which you want to just go through. You can just go through, but these advanced settings are not important as of now. And then I will click on launch the instance. So after that, my instance will be getting launched. Okay, so this is how you will be creating your very first EC2 instance with the help of the AWS. So now our instance has been successfully created. Click on this. It will open new tab over here. So right now you can see the instances has been created. Like let me just remove this. It will show me all the instances. So this is the instance which was created by me just now. The instance state is right now it's pending. So let's just wait for a while. Let me just refresh the page. Okay, so now our instance is running. Okay, so now our instance is running and it's ready. So now if any point of time, if suppose now if you want to stop this running instance, you have to just click over here and instance state, you have to click on the stop instance. Click on stop and successfully initiate the stopping of this particular instance ID. So it has stopped now. So now suppose you want to again restart it, then do one thing, select it, instance state, click on start instant, and if you have to terminate or in a sense if you want to delete this instance, you click on this terminate instance. This instance will be getting terminated permanently. Okay, so but as of now let's not do that. And one more thing, if you want to check the details of this instance, click over here, right click, and down below you can see the this private IP of that particular EC2 instance. This is the public IP address of the instance over here, and these are rest of the other details which you can see like a subnet and all these things. Let me see, like platform is Linux Unix, and here is the AMI name and everything. So if you just go down below, okay, so this much is fine, I guess. Then the status and alarms you will see over here. Then monitoring, security. So like security, if you want to put like inbound rules and the outbound rules. So when it comes to the inbound rules, it refers to the traffic which is coming to the EC2 inside of the EC2 instance. So for that purpose, we'll be listening on the port 22, and outbound is basically the traffic which goes from inside of our EC2 instance to the outside. Like it can go anywhere outside of that EC2 instance. So here the port range is all that has been selected. It can go like anywhere. And but when it comes to the sending the traffic inside of the EC2 instance, it will always listen on the port 22. Okay. Am I missing anything like a networking and all? Here is the storage details. You can just go and check out the storage details over here. It's 8 GB storage, and all the graphical representation you can see over here. Here you can see the tags like right now the key value pair is name of our EC2 instance, AWS trial and everything. So do give it a try guys, and do let me know how you like this tutorial. And if you are new, please consider subscribing because subscription is free, and very soon I'll be creating more such videos about the AWS, and I hope you guys will like this series. Thanks for watching.